Hello friends, my name is Carrie Ann and you're watching Hello Friends Carolinas, and today I'm here in West Asheville in a really great community called Estelle Park, and I can't wait to show you this beautiful home.
Special thanks to the listing agent Michelle Cox with eXp Realty LLC. You'll want to discover this charming Craftsman-style bungalow nestled in the highly sought-after private neighborhood of Estelle Park on the west side of Asheville, North Carolina. This beautiful home features 9-foot ceilings, a spacious main dining living area with a cozy gas fireplace and large windows that present soothing natural light. For cooking enthusiasts, the kitchen is equipped with all new stainless steel LG appliances, generous cabinet and pantry space, granite counter space, and a breakfast bar. The laundry is discreetly tucked away, which includes a new LG washer and dryer. This freshly painted home has 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths with hardwood floors throughout. The primary bedroom has a private ensuite with a large walk-in closet. You will love the convenience of being close to downtown and West Asheville fun. With beautiful hardwood throughout, the home also has a great pantry off to the side of the kitchen and a nice closet, coat closet when you first enter. Down the hall, you'll find 2 bedrooms, a full bath, and the primary bedroom with an ensuite bath. Both of these additional bedrooms have nice big closets and lots of natural light. This home, 121 Estelle Park Drive in Asheville, North Carolina, is listed at $550,000. It has a total of 1,420 square feet and was built in 2009. It truly is a beautiful home, double vanity in the primary ensuite, and a whole side yard and backyard for folks to enjoy.
This beautiful Craftsman-style bungalow here in sought-after community Estelle Park is so charming and has so many great features. This community also has a playground, is super walkable, and is super close to West Asheville. Well, it's in West Asheville. It's super close to Haywood Street, which is like the main drag in West Asheville. I've saved the best feature for last though. You did catch a glimpse of it in the beginning, but you know my favorite feature of many of the homes I do tours of are the porches. So let's check out this big porch. Thank you for watching another episode of Hello Friends Carolinas. If you need help finding your home and community here in the beautiful mountains of Western North Carolina, give me a call. The number's right here. Ring-a-ding-ding. Yeah, you should do that. Bye, friends.